is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah.
We dey welcome una come this program wey we dey call Area Tori. Area Tori na the program wey dey come to una from Procyon radio and television. And today I dey with Gloria Enoch for studio.
Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening.
All right, anywhere wey una dey na so according to una time we dey greet una. Make una no comot, we get better topic wey we wan give una today. Abeg, if una get tori to give us, make una type Procyon RTV. Una go our social media handles. We dey for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, we dey for TikTok. We dey all over. Once you type Procyon RTV, you go see us. Drop your comments. If you no fit drop your comments, you go also call us for 08094646206. Una go get us. My name na Sarah Agbo. The topic wey we wan talk about today, abi the tori wey we wan talk about today, na the tori of women wey dey get belle come dey talk say dem dey crave for particular thing. I wan chop this, I wan chop that. I dey crave. We go call am crave, Gloria. But for pidgin English now, they go say, I wan chop. I dey chop. I dey do longer for particular thing because I get belle. Na him we wan talk about. Make una no go, make una just dey lis ten to us. Gloria, the tori wey I wan talk now na the tori of one lady wey be say the young man wey marry her come dey happy dey post am for social media. Say, make una come see my wife o. My wife get belle, and this belle wey she get, e no let her sleep. My wife talk say na boiled maize na she wan chop. She come wake up in the night, come go kitchen, come go sit down on top chair, put the maize for fire, come dey cook am. Dey patient, dey wait for the maize make e ready. Till the maize ready, she no worry o say na night na be that one. She say na wetin she dey wan chop be that.
She dey hungry for.
Yes, na im be that one. Till the maize come ready, she come carry am hot. Dey struggle, dey chop am like say something wey
hungry her well.
Wey hungry her, dey chop am. The husband come dey happy. No, these young boys wey dey come up, when they see something because of the small tori wey dem dey hear, dey sweet them, come believe say if woman get belle she dey always like to chop this one, so my own too don join the queue wey be say she wan chop this. You understand?
Yes.
So e come get another tori again. This one she see the maize for house, na make her come dey cook am. We come get another one wey be say the young man come dey tell him friend wey me I dey talk say him wife she wan chop maize in the night. She get belle around that kind after 11. Say na she come tell am say abeg, say him come back, him don tire, him dey sleep. Na she come tell am say she wan chop maize because this belle na wetin dey do her be that now.
Wetin dey hungry her.
Na him the boy come stand up in the night, come check outside, see say nobody dey outside. You wan chop maize? She say na roasted maize she wan chop. He come feel like, okay, make I help her or make I go. Now he come stand up, come dey find. He no see maize. He come back, he tell her say he no see maize o. But I see suya. Make I buy suya come give you. She say lying na that maize. Anywhere where he know say him go get am. Make him go get am for her. She no go fit. He say no be small quarrel o. Na him dey come dey quarrel. Na him neighbor come hear the quarrel. Come say wetin dey do una this night? Na the woman come talk say see she na maize. Na him that one say by this time as the maize no dey, him say make him buy suya for you. Since no be hungry, dey hungry. You don eat food? She say yes. Just buy eat the suya so that at least maybe your body go calm down small. Na the advice wey neighbor give her be that.
She no go take.
Na the woman say if na so make you leave her. You dey hear the tori. Na the husband come inside. The husband say he no sleep for inside bedroom because the woman dey vex. He come sit down for sitting room, but at last dem sleep, day break. pikin no comot for belle,
Go
the
remain.
woman no die,
At all.
nothing happen to the woman. You hear the two tori wey I
Hear
dey
the
talk.
tori. Hear the tori well well. You see this kind thing wey happen so. For me na longer road because make I tell you say pikin wey dey belle, even though e dey make sometimes something go hungry you, but if you no get that time that one no go make the pikin comot for where e dey e go remain there. So that woman wey do that thing, e forget say anything fit happen as the same the oga go. What of if you go meet bad thing for that time, because na that time wey you talk say 11 people wey dey roast corn dey don go finish now, only person wey fit see na that suya, because that one dem dey reach 12.
Yes.
But women wey dey roast corn dey don go, and he tell you say abeg make I buy you suya, you say no. Pikin na blessing o. Pikin no be curse. No pikin wey go say comot my father for 12 o'clock make you go buy groundnut, boil groundnut bring for me, na that one dey hungry me, e no fit happen. So na the woman na she get that longer throat. Pikin you no dey talk say I wan chop this one or I no wan chop, na you no wan chop those things. Another one be say if you fit control yourself, as you no see am by say she sleep
discipline.
he sleep, you for still sleep endure.
Woman fit discipline herself.
If you discipline yourself, bring the suya, babe na corn you hungry me, okay thank you, give me the suya make I eat. That thing wey we dey tell una say see marriage na endurance. Everything about life you must endure. You go try to dey control yourself, even you get belle, even na twins dey the belle, one no go look for another thing, all of the other one hungry for another thing. What of if this one say na boil yam e want that night and you no get yam at that time wey you go cook, you go comot go look for the yam. Maybe the other one say no na boil cocoa yam. You see wetin you choose, all those things na you yourself na you do all those things, no be the pikin. So we wan let una know say no be pikin dey do all those things, na we wey get ourselves, na we go control ourselves if we don get belle, because the belle cannot lead us to bad things, because belle na blessing.
Na blessing.
Na blessing e be.
And you know say to carry belle
na for strong women.
na for strong women.
Yes.
No be just
No be for lazy person, because if you get belle
you
go strong.
Yes.
You go strong, go up. The things wey na belle now, wey even dem dey talk for hospital say if you don get belle go up. Dey do some small exercise, that small thing wey you go get up. Some go say oga come brush my leg, no be so. Make you do. E get stage wey belle go reach where dem go tell you no bend down brush your leg. That one we know. But some people na early stage wey we say people no even know outside say don get belle.
Even
don dey suffer oga for house.
Even get the way wey dem dey teach for an ten atal, how you go take bend down, so that you go fit dey do
then you no go praise the pikin.
Yes, or you go sit down for inside on top this stool.
Yes.
So that you go do you wash your leg. So e get different ways if you dey go an ten atal.
Yes, dem dey
teach am.
So make una dey learn.
Especially for general hospital.
Yes, for general, dem dey teach all those things.
They no dey play with that kind thing.
Yes.
Then they teach you how you go take do throughout that process when you get belle. So you see say these days the things wey young girls dey do, because they read small things say you fit crave for something, they feel like say you wan chop something. You understand? They go not take advantage because they punish their husband. And the husbands again, because most of them no wan know anything about, they no dey read, they no wan know anything about how pregnancy be, the process and everything. Them they will come for victim.
They run up and down.
They run up and down. They no go let people around them rest. Even them themselves, they no go feel rest. They know say our men those days they're strong. You go fit do that one.
I hear. Because you know for house with you.
Oh,
go ask you belle na cause.
Not because
my mother no carry me. No be me be this.
Na so.
So na so.
You go see say many women the way they take carry am. That pikin wey dey inside you, now you go control am.
Yes, now.
No be him go control you. Anything wey you eat, na pikin go eat. There are some times wey be say truly e get some things wey you no wan chop at that period.
Na so.
But you ma go look for alternative. Get the one wey you know say you go fit chop. I know say vegetable fruit o all those things dem dey talk for hospital say make you
Make you
chop
eat am.
make you eat am. Then make una come think of those people wey dey inside village wey be say all those things wey una dey talk say I dey crave for shawarma, I dey crave for. Woman go get belle, she no go cook again, she no go enter kitchen, she go tell you say if I smell this thing I go vomit, if I do this thing I go do this thing. Wetin I dey advise many women that time be say, see if you enter kitchen you vomit, come back enter kitchen.
Well.
If the second time, where you go see vomit? If you vomit, go back again.
Yes.
If you eat particular thing you vomit, come back, come eat am.
Eat am for your mouth again, eat am.
Eat am. No be the pikin go control you.
Control it.
Na you go control. Some people go dey vex now as we dey talk. They go dey talk say
wetin we know.
You no even know how e be. We pass through the process. The first thing wey we go fit advise una be say you fit overcome am.
Yes.
You fit overcome your pikin wey dey inside your belle no fit control you. If e control you, e mean say if you come out na so e go dey control you. You understand? So that particular man wey you come dey tell him friend, na the friend come tell am say so you mean say you sleep for sitting room? Say if na him, he no go do am o. He no go do am. Say for wetin? Say na which kind pikin na him she carry for belle? He know say na him pikin, but he know say nothing go happen to her.
Yes.
According to wetin dey him mind, say him mind don strong, nothing go happen to the woman. He say now wey una sleep, wetin happen? Na so he ask her. He say
She faint for night as you no eat the cup.
He say nothing happen. He say so now. He say na the same thing. If you no fit get anything wey we give her, I no talk say make you no dey buy things for her o. But say I dey pray for particular thing. Make your husband wake up in the night, come dey waka go another place. My dear, no dey right like you talk.
No dey right. No send am out. Something fit happen. You go come regret am.
Okay.
You say, na the wife telling you go buy corn. You go say, oh, that's how I know. And it don't happen. God forbid it no go happen. As you dey hear us dey talk so, change. Make you control the pikin. If you dey hear smell of, some people say if I hear as in the boil beans, I dey vomit. Make you boil the beans. Pass the other place again, hear the smell. Some people say if I hear smell of ice fish, shower, I dey vomit. Pass that place when they close the shower for market. Pass am, make the smell enter you.
If you like, sit down there sef for small time.
Small time.
If you wan vomit, stand up go vomit, come back come sit down there.
You go see say 2 days you go speak. You no go do you again.
E no go do.
Yes.
So but if you just accept am, wetin you accept come to stay with you.
Come to stay with you.
So if you accept am, na so the thing go dey do you throughout. But if you refuse, you no accept am, you go discover say you don enjoy yourself throughout. One funny thing be say there's time for everything, time to eat. You understand? If you don chop as a woman, you come dey wake up for night, come dey eat. Na that one dey make some of them dey get constipation.
Yes.
You understand? They no know. You go stand up for night say you wan eat, and amaze
for night e no good.
So how you go fit digest? In the morning now you go come dey carry the man dey struggle say your belle dey pain you because of digestion. E no good like that now. Even better if na vegetable you eat or fruits in the night. But stand up come dey eat food. Some women go keep food like this. They eat, say na the thing wey the pikin want in the night. After you don eat, you need to discipline yourself. Control yourself. Your eating habits.
Na im make you see say some go eat, dem go eat, dem go eat. Every time na food. Na that's when they tell they say reduce wetin you dey eat.
Thank you.
If dem tell they say reduce wetin, say maybe you no get, na im make you dey tell me you dey jealous me, no be wetin hungry me I dey eat. No be so. Dem dey do for your head because the day wey you go born pikin, na only you go push am.
Thank you.
You go hear am all those wey you dey eat say you see akpu you am, you see tuwo you am, especially starch food, una you dey eat am. E dey good for you, you dey like am but e go make baby fat. When e reach the day of labour, you go hear am. Something for be 30 minutes go become 1 hour because the baby big.
That is if God help am say the pikin fit comot by himself. Because if you too big, you no go fit comot by yourself. Dem go tear you.
Which one you like? No be to control you are eating habit na better than say the one wey dem go tear you to come back come dey enter. If na the one wey dey say dey do yes that one ba e dey the one wey go tear you down. You go come back dey see baby go dey care for baby, go care to enter hot water again. So na you go control your eating habit. Abeg my people. Na wetin we get to tell una be that o, and because of little one wey we know and we don see as e happen to people, that is why we say make we share am with una too. These young women, because no be elderly women wey don born plenty, na all these our children wey just dey marry wey dem dey come up. So that is why we say make we tell una and no use belle punish your oga. Pikin na blessing.
Yes, and oga too no use that opportunity take deal with the woman. Make you also know say this woman supposed to be taken care of, and the food wey she suppose eat, make she eat am at the right time. At the right time is very important. That timing is very important. Yes. No dey wake up in the night because of longer. I wan chop this, I wan chop that. How you go fit wake up in the middle of the night come dey go chop because you get belle? Even the pikin dey punish am now. That time the pikin suppose rest.
Come to dey swim well. You go see say food don full one side. No let am swim well for belle.
All right, the program wey una dey watch us for Procyon radio and television. We just dey talk about the women wey be dey talk say something dey crave them because dem get belle. And because they get belle, they go wake up anytime. They don't even get time for eating. You don't know say your digestive system even need time to be able to process the food so that you go fit digest. You don't give am space, you don't give am time.
You just dey add.
You just dey add. The fat dey go, pikin go the fat dey go. At the end, they will come say they want cut you or the pikin will tear you. So that one, now we dey talk for Procyon radio and television. Gloria, thank you very much for your contribution, because all the things wey you talk na the things wey my people need to know.
Yes.
And I believe say una go carry am work with am. God go dey bless una. Abeg make una subscribe, make una like, make una share our video. We dey for YouTube, we dey for Instagram, TikTok, and we dey all over. Just type Procyon RTV. Procyon we dey spell am Procyon, and then we also get an app. Our app don comot. Just download am. If you download am, any of our video wey you see, click on the notification button so that anytime when we drop video like that, una go just see am. We no need to dey come dey tell una say we don drop video. So una go just see am. The notification button go just show una wetin we keep there. So abeg make una dey like, make una dey share. Make una no just dey watch the video dey go like that. We need una help. Say make una just like and then comment. Now those ones na dey very very important. And then subscribe if you never subscribe. If una get tori wey una wan make we talk for here, make una call us for 08094646206. My name na Sarah Agbon, and I thank Gloria for coming to the studio. Gloria,
thank you very much.
Thank you. And I want to tell una say make una dey shine like the star wey una be. Bye bye.
Where is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Baby, my salary, I want to marry.